Yeah. This is 7th period biology. Roetto. Let's go. Yo, I'm checking out DNA all day long. Them covalent bonds, 4 bases, kicks with the laces. Couldn't forget about hadronic bonds, even when I'm getting with some blondes. Getting lost in those phosphates. Distribution cost of that ribo sugar. Let's try not to butcher a beat this hot without at least giving it a shot. Let's keep it rolling. Let's start with nitrogen, yo, it starts in the soil and crumples from a foil, goes up and feeds the plants, feeds the sky. Nitrogen once at the top comes back down and hits the dirt. DNA right beside the RNA got the cell to making new proteins. It's MS13, and that's what determines our traits. Now let's start to translate. DNA holds our info, and that's just how it's been though. Now we're gonna get into the steps of meiosis and mitosis. So homie, here's the diagnosis. Prophase 1, the dopest of phases. The envelope break, chromosomes pair, tetrads form with chromatids, which cross over and prepare for making kids. Now we hit metaphase 1, that's number 2. Those tetrads line up at the equator, bit of a skater. Then there is anaphase 1. Here those tetrads break apart and the chromosomes move away from the heart. Damn, telophase 1, where it all ends. Chromatids decondense and the new envelopes ain't too dense. Each nucleus is now a haploid, cause I ain't your busboy. What you need to know about mitosis is that only in those body cells. It ain't a section, no need to disembody, so cut the affection. DNA replication, bro, is heavy stuff. Replication happens in all living organisms. It's the process of copying DNA, happens in the nucleus. DNA polymerase is the main enzyme involved. DNA transcription is the process that involves transcribing genetic info from DNA to RNA. Translation, man, that stuff is an invasion. DNA translation is the process in which cellular ribosomes create proteins. Though genes are a cluster of DNA that specify a certain trait, to get a protein you need to follow the dogma of biology. DNA to RNA to protein. DNA is passed on from parent to child through sexual reproduction to try to resist its irresistible seduction. An organism, its fitness, its ability to produce offspring, I killed every witness. An organism needs to adapt to its environment. There once was a bird, his name's a bit absurd. He was put down by all the other guys because of his small ass beak, weak physique, till he met a chick who said size didn't matter, prize is the platter, and then there was a change. The birds with the larger beaks couldn't quite feed, so the smaller beaks were rolling in the food. That mutation screwed the mood, and I'm out west side biology.